It's the standing forward bend with the legs apart, called Prasarita Padottanasana. It's quite a mouthful. It just means legs apart, reaching forward. Both your toes are parallel. What you can do is bring them slightly inwards, and this will activate your inner thighs, pressing down into the outer edges of both your feet. Bring your hands to your hips. Now, there might be a tendency for the tailbone to go behind with the back arching. Stretch up. Lift your stomach, drop the tailbone down. Relax the shoulders. Take a deep breath in and fold forward. As far forward as your hamstrings and your lower back allow you. If you're very flexible, you'll be able to go lower and bring your hands down onto the floor. If your hamstrings are feeling tighter, you might not feel like going all the way down. You might want to be just on your fingertips, or you might want something here, a stool or a yoga block to rest your hands on. Remember, we are stretching the legs. It's a forward bend for the legs. So there's no point in being down on the floor with the knees bent. We need to stretch out the backs of the knees. So go to that place where you feel you can comfortably stretch out the backs of your legs. If your hands are down on the floor and you're feeling good here, gently slide hands back till your fingers and your toes are in one line. And if you're feeling very flexible, take a deep breath in, stretch up, exhale and draw your head down towards the floor. Relax the shoulders, elbows in line with the shoulders, hold here. Taking 3 deep breaths here. Release and come up, bring your hands back to your hips, come all the way up and either jump in or walk in, hip width apart, bring your hands behind, thumbs towards the spine, inhale, deeply stretch up. Small counter stretch. Because you are folding forward, you gently arch back. Don't have to go very deep. 2 more breaths here. And come back to the center. We go down onto the floor now. So taking a moment just to rest at first. Stretch the legs out. Lie back. Relax the arms, relax the legs. Watch your breath. Starting to rest in the corpse pose now, Shavasana. Turn your head gently to the right, to the left. Draw your neck out nice and long. Relax it fully. Open the shoulder blades. Gently lift the hips. Rest your lower back on the floor. Turn the toes out to either side. And just watching your breath now. Releasing any tension in your hands and your fingertips. Observe your breath. We'll take 3 deep breaths. I'm just going to show you how. We'll take 4 counts to inhale and 4 counts to exhale. So inhaling, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, abdomen expands, chest expands. Exhale, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Relax your breath. So like this, you choose your own ratio. It could be 3 counts, 4, 5 or even 6. Equal inhalation, equal exhalation just for 3 breaths. Remember to stay connected to yourself and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.